car. Was it this bad last time?
This is a news story, right?
At least it got out of her way so she could back up. Okay, blue car, you're not coming this way. Oh, I feel bad for that car owner.